Going to start a new topic of our environment chapter. Let us start with the new topic, global warming. Now, what is global warming? The global warming is an increase in the temperature of earth atmosphere. Simply, it's getting hotter. Now, the global warming in which the fuels such as coal, diesel, petrol are burnt and carbon dioxide gas is produced which mixes with the air. Then, household purposes, it has increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. So these gases together are called as the greenhouse gases. Now what is greenhouse gases? It allows the heat from the sun to enter into the earth atmosphere and they do not allow to heat to escape. So this keeps the earth comfortably warm, means it keeps the earth hotter. So what about carbon dioxide gas? It is a major component of the greenhouse gases and it increases in the carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere. So that's why this would leads to gradual rise in the earth average temperatures and this is known as a global warming. One diagram is given on the textbook also. It reducing the carbon dioxide emission and therefore it is necessity. If the global warming continues, the average temperature of the earth will keep rising and this will disturb the earth environment and it is very harmful to the earth. So due to increase in the temperature, some polar ice caps will start melting and this can lead to rise in the water level of seas and the rise in the sea levels will submerge several coastal regions. So this region will completely destroyed and reducing the carbon dioxide emission is therefore a necessity. So rise in the temperature was marked by unusually severe the weather in many parts of the world and it could be also rise the sea levels with a distress consequences for the land and low level coastal areas. Now come to the next topic, types of pollution. We know that living things depend on the environment for survival. Yes, with the excessive industrialization and in the name of progress and development, man has exploited Earth's natural resources and played havoc with its environmental balance. Now, what is pollution? There are so many types of pollution. Yes, the images given in the videos, that is land pollution, air pollution, water pollution. When harmful chemical substances are released into environment, they cause extensive damage to environment, that is pollution. The harmful substances are called as pollutants. Those material they pollute the air are called pollutants. Pollution not just causes several diseases but it also endangers the overall existence of living things by damaging the ecosystem. Types of pollution. So some examples of pollutions or types of pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution or soil pollution, and last one is the noise or sound pollution. So let us start with the air pollution. Now what is air pollution? Air becomes polluted when toxic and undesirable substances are released into the atmosphere. Look at this diagram. Harmful gases, dust particles, smoke. These all are the responsible for air pollution. Then air pollution affects the health and well-beings of all those who breathe this infected air. So causes of air pollution are: the first one, emission of harmful gases caused due to industrial and manufacturing activities. Then natural phenomena such as volcanoes, wildfires which release the pollutants such as smoke and soot. Then burning of waste products. In the villages, farmers burn dry agricultural waste in fields and farms. And in towns and cities, people often burn plastics, rubber, garbage and old tires. These all are the causes of air pollution. Also, gases emitted due to burning of fossil fuels in the vehicles, greenhouse gases released by thermal power plants. Now, what is the effect of air pollution? Air pollution affects on or it causes deadly diseases like lung cancer and other respiratory disorders. Acid rain formed by the combination of some harmful gases and water vapors in the air. Some harmful gases such as a sulfuric acid rains falls along with the rainwater and destroying the leaves of a plants, and consequently the quantity of a vegetation and aquatic life it destroys, or this is the causes of, or this is the effect of air pollution. Now come to the next pollution, water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of the water bodies when harmful substances are thrown directly or indirectly into them. So water pollution such as polluted water until and dangerous to use. It is unfit and dangerous for the use. So factory, power plants or manufacturing industries, they produce the wastewater and contains the many harmful and toxic substances, pollute the water. Now river, lake, then sea, oceans, so pollute the water, it affects on the aquatic ecosystem. Then polluted water greatly harms the marine life like flora and fauna in seas and oceans. What is the causes of air pollution? What are the causes of air pollution? Large amount of pesticides and fertilizers used by the farmers are washed away by rain into the streams, rivers and lakes. Factory waste and residues dumped into the nearby water bodies. Domestic activities pollute the water bodies. The domestic activities like bathing, washing utensils, washing clothes and washing animals, these also pollute the water bodies. The dumping domestic garbage in or close to water bodies. So what is the, or what are the effects of water pollution? It adversely affects aquatic life like fish, frogs, aquatic flora, etc. Now disrupts a food chain causing ecosystem imbalance. It causes a diseases in a human beings and other living beings. Come to the next, land pollution. Now what is land pollution? Dumping of garbage and waste material on a land or underground in a way that can contaminate the soil and groundwater. It is termed as the land pollution. Now garbage decays and becomes a breeding ground for diseases carriers like rats, mosquito, fly, etc. Polluted land becomes a source of unpleasant odor, and dangerous chemicals seep into the soil and make it unfit for agriculture. Groundwater contaminated from the waste disposal site. Now what are the sources of land pollution? The first source of land pollution is agricultural residues like pesticides and fertilizers. Then another, burning of a solid waste, coal, wood, paper, plastics and rubber, etc. are the sources of land pollution, means they causes the land pollution. Then burning of solid waste, coal, wood, paper, plastic, rubber. Then mining activities such as cutting of trees, this is the responsible for land pollution. Now industrial waste. What about the industrial waste? Metals and plastic materials are carelessly disposed as a solid garbage by manufacturing industries. These substances release dangerous chemicals as they react with the air and water, mostly in the harsh heat of the sun. Metal, glass, paper, etc. dumped along with the organic waste in a landfill areas instead of recycling. This is the main cause of land pollution. What are the effects of land pollution? The reckless dumping of waste matter leads to formation of highly poisonous chemicals. These pollutants seep into the soil as well as ground water reservoirs and affect the underground. And underground water contaminated from the waste disposal site. The top of fertile soil gets polluted and making it unfit for the plant growth. Fertilizers and pesticides contaminated the underground water also. Many illnesses arises due to intake of fruits and vegetable grown on populated land. The foul odor and poisonous chemicals are released into the atmosphere. Children playing in areas close to dumping grounds are prone to several disorders and skin diseases. Open landfills breed rodents and insects that spread diseases like mice, then cockroaches, bites, or any other insects. Come to the next, noise pollution. Now what is noise pollution? Sound forms an integral part of our life, like talking, listening music. But loud music makes us tired and irritable. This is called the noise pollution. Noise pollution has affected the lifestyle of humans to a great extent. So what are the sources of noise pollution? The first is motor vehicle, then aeroplane, then submarine, ship. These all are the transportation are the main cause of source of noise pollution. Then another, food mixer, grinder, pressure cooker, vacuum cleaner, cooler, then air conditioner, means all home appliances, they also causes the noise pollution. Then home appliances like generator, public functions, excessive use of loudspeakers, means concerts, marriages or festival celebration, these also cause of noise pollution. Factories and industries, several manufacturing processes use machines, then continuous sound that produce a very loud sound while working. Deafening sound of siren, then construction work like drilling, then demolishing buildings. These all are the causes of noise pollution. Now come to the next part, effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution affects humans and animals equally. Hearing disorders disturb sleep, higher anxiety and stress, loss of hearing due to extensive use of headphones by children. Sound travels faster in water and marine animals depend on sound for search of food such as fish, dolphins, etc. Then sharp sound produced by the ship and submarines cause trauma and sometimes death in animals like dolphins and whales. So these all are the types of pollution. Now you have to read the lesson and revise the all topics. Thank you. Have a nice